running full. Some locations that will experience flooding include Colorado City. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The National Weather Service in Las Vegas has issued a flash flood warning for northern Mojave County in northwestern Arizona until 9:30 a.m. Mountain Standard Time. At 6:26 a.m. Mountain Standard Time, local law enforcement officials reported flash flooding in Colorado City. Several roads in town are closed with washes running full. Some locations that will experience flooding include Colorado City. Turn around. Don't drown when encountering flooded roads. Most of flood deaths occur in vehicles. The flash flood watch continues for a portion of northwest Arizona.